In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emoji, GIFs, and stickers on Telegram. By the end, you'll know how to tidy up your recents, remove entire sticker packs, delete sent items, and clear cached files to free up space. Start by opening any chat in Telegram and tapping the sticker or emoji icon to bring up the panel. Head to the Recent tab. If you want to clean up your recently used emoji, right? Click any emoji in that list and choose Remove from Recent. This doesn't delete the emoji from Telegram. It simply clears it from your personal recents so your panel shows what you actually use. Next, let's manage stickers. In the Stickers section, look for the small X on the bottom right of a sticker pack preview. Click that X to remove the entire set from your panel. This is helpful if you've collected packs you no longer want to see every time you open the stickers tray. Removing a pack from your panel doesn't affect anyone else, and you can always add it back later if you change your mind. Now open the GIF tab in the same panel. To remove a GIF you recently sent, long press it, and select Remove. If you are on desktop, hover your mouse over a GIF in the Gifs tab and click the small X icon to remove it from your recents. Just like with emoji and stickers, this only changes what appears in your own panel. It won't delete the GIF from Telegram as a whole. If you need to remove a sticker or GIF that you already sent in a conversation, find the message, then long press or right-click it. Tap the delete icon and choose Delete for everyone. Use this when you want the item gone from both sides of the chat. Keep in mind that this option may be time-limited depending on the chat settings, so it's best to act promptly. Finally, if you want to reclaim storage by clearing cached GIFs and other media, go to Settings on mobile, then Data and Storage. Storage Usage, and tap Clear Cache on the desktop app. Open Settings, go to Advanced. Then Manage Local Storage. From there, you can clear stickers, GIF animations, or choose Clear All to wipe cached items more broadly. This won't delete your chats. It simply removes locally stored copies so Telegram can re-download items when needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.